Hello guys, welcome back to FX Action Trader YouTube channel. My name is Chuan here and I'm going to go through with you the potential pairs that we are going to trade along the week. So as usual, we are going to start with the first pair, Euro Dollar. So let us have a look on the daily chart. So on daily chart, we can see that on last week, market was quite strong in terms of bullish momentum, whereby we see that there was a strong rejection from 1.16 and market just go along until 1.179, which is about 130 pips movement. And if we are looking on H4, we can see that market is now currently in a clear uptrend where market has been doing higher highs and higher low along the way. And we can see that there is a strong engulfing candle here before the market closed. But something that caught my attention is that market is now retesting the previous high at 1.18. So in order for me to continue to look for a buy signal, I would prefer that market to do a nice breakthrough above this level, and then only we go to scale in for a buy trade. All right, a buy trade, and the final take profit area would be at the previous top at 1.19. So it's around this level. So let us have a look on the pound dollar. So pound dollar, the chart pattern is quite similar on what we have seen on the euro dollar. And first thing first, market was trying to go down. All right, market was trying to push lower, but somehow market got rejected at this level. All right, market got rejected at this level. Market do a breakdown, and then market break back into the structure and have a nice breakout and close above this previous double top area or previous resistance area at 1.377. So on this week, we'll be more focusing on a buy trade in terms of a style trade, all right, based on this current trend on H4. And on the daily chart, we can see that market was actually respecting this previous low or previous support at 1.36. Market did not able to make a nice breakdown below, and we can see that the bullish momentum started to accumulate at this level, and market just break up higher and higher. So in this week, we are going to place our trade, or we can scale into our trade when there is any buy signal between these two levels. In other words, as long as this level 1.367 is not broken, we are good to go for a buy trade. All right, we are good to go for a buy trade for this week. So let us have a look on gold. All right, gold was pretty interesting. All right, on the past few weeks, market formed a double top and we had a massive drop until 1676, and the week after, gold just did a very strong pullback, and now we can see that market is now more bullish than bearish. Right, market is now more bullish than bearish, and we can see that previous high has been broken and a new high was created. So we shall look for only buy trade with the final take profit at 1833. All right, at 1833. So let us move to the yen pair. All right, so for euro yen, we are still in a bearish sentiment. All right, market is still quite bearish, although we see that market was doing a pullback on last week, which is a short-term buy trend. But for me, all right, market is now at the key level or the resistance zone on the H4 chart. So we can see that there are some rejection happen here. So, but now this is not a good time for us to go into a sell trade yet. What I would prefer is that I will need market to either break through this trend line, or market trying to break higher but ended up with a false break, and then only I will scale down for a short trade. All right, so This pair will be in my watch list along the week as well. So for the pound yen, let us have a look on the daily chart. So on the pound yen, first thing I can see is that this is a very strong support level. At 149.6, this is a very strong support level. Market created this level, and market was trying to break down or break below this level, but failed to do so. But however, on H4 we can see that market was still trying to pull back higher, and based on this current market structure, this is actually an uptrend formation where we see higher highs, higher low, higher highs, and higher low, and this could be a potential new higher low, and market has break through the previous level on the left. So in terms of an intraday trade, I would prefer to look for a buy trade instead of a sell trade. All right. So the final take profit area would be at the previous high at 153. So as long as market did a pullback and did not break below this structure, we can scale down for a buy trade. So let us have a look on the Aussie yen. All right. So if we are comparing all the yen pairs in terms of market structure, I would prefer more to trade with this Aussie yen. So first thing first, what we can see is that market was trying to retest this resistance level at 79.65, but market did not able to break lower, and market just break above this level and did a nice pullback towards this level, and this resistance level now become a new support level. So if we are trading according to the trend trading, market has now broken a new high, and market has now broken the previous high. Market has now broken the previous high, and a new high was created. So as long as market did not break below this level, we can scale down for a buy trade. So the last pair for today, the dollar CAD. So dollar CAD in terms of H4, all right, market is now more bearish instead of bullish. So let us have a look on the H4 chart. Market is now going to retest this previous support level, right? So in other words, if this previous support level is broken, that means a new low was created. All right, this was the current market low. If market break down this previous support, meaning that there is a new low being created, and as when market did a pullback, we can scale down for a short trade. All right, we can scale down for a short trade. So that's all for my analysis for this week. I hope that you guys like it, and feel free to comment or discuss at the comment section below. Have a nice day. Goodbye.